Hello viewers, today we will solve one more sorting algorithm which is quicksort. Quicksort is basically a divide and conquer algorithm. Here is written the definition of an quicksort algorithm. So you can read from it. I will directly write the code. So first there is given a low and high. Low means initially position and high it n minus 1th position. So I just have to do if low is less than high, then you just have to find pivot element which is partition, of course partition, and you just have to pass the value of, and then again you just pass the quicksort algorithm which is array comma low comma pi minus 1. Okay, and again you do the quicksort algorithm which is finding array comma pi plus 1 and high. Okay, let's write the code for the partitioning the algorithm. First you have to find the int pivot element which is array of high. Okay, and int I equals to low minus 1. Okay, and you just have to traverse the loop for int j equals to low and j less than high, and then j plus plus. You have to check if array of j is less than pivot element, then you just do the I plus plus and then swap the element. Swap array of I comma array of j. Okay, and after this loop you have to, after this loop you just have to swap array of ith plus 1 and array of high. Okay, and then return the ith plus 1. Let's run this code whether it is running properly or not. Okay, there is an error in the spelling. It is in capital S. So let's run this again, run this code. There is not a comma. Let's run this code again. I hope that this works fine. Swap array. Okay. It is int j. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit this code. This has been accepted. Thanks for watching.